Hi guys, welcome to Comfort Life channel. It's Irina and today we are preparing, as you can see, something interesting, and that would be cinnamon tea, sweet cinnamon tea. Two ways. As you can see here, I have the pan and I also have something else. So I will show you my favorite way of preparing the cinnamon tea and also the other way that you could use. And cinnamon tea is beneficial for people trying to control their blood sugar, also improving digestion. You can also watch my video where I talk in details about great health benefits of cinnamon. So the first method I'm going to show you is my favorite because it's really simple and I love this bottle. This is the thermos. It's been traveling with me for so long, believe it or not. So for the recipe, we shall need the cinnamon sticks. I would say don't go crazy and just get 2 sticks. You could get them in the spice section or buy them in bulk, which probably gonna be cheaper. Boom, yeah, that was loud. So you just put them in the thermos. Make sure you have a cup for a thermos and get some boiling water, which I have right here. So, well, for approximately 2 sticks, I say we go ahead and pour 2 cups of water, which this thermos has more or less, you know, a cup could be about 8 ounces, 1 cup. So let me just cover it up. So this is it. It's boiling water. Can you see this boiling water? Anyway, you have to trust my word, that's boiling water. So the next and the last step is just to cover it up. We shall screw it in here and we need to let it steep. Well, obviously closed, covered, right, for about 1 hour. And I would suggest you to start with 1 hour, but then you could experiment and wait for even longer. So then you would need to strain it and enjoy. I would say that this tea could stand for the dessert, like easily. And if your cinnamon, something I need to tell you right away, if your cinnamon doesn't taste sweet, it's probably either the cinnamon of a poor quality, which is very much possible, or it's simply too old. So the recipe takes time, so you know, because you really need to let it either steep or simmer, which I'm going to show you right now. For the second recipe, we shall need a pan. This is a huge pan, but that's kind of the one I like to use. We shall need to turn the stove on. I'm not a real fan of electric stoves, but that's what I have, and I think I've mastered pretty well to use it. And we shall also need 2 cups of water, so for this much effort you will definitely end up with some good amount of tea if you make it in the thermos. So here, because we're going to simmer it, it will be a little less than 2 cups. So the procedure is the same. You take your 2 cinnamon sticks and you put them in there floating, and now the only thing we shall be waiting for is to the water start simmering. By the way, this first method in the thermos that we used, it's called the infusion method. And this method, when you are really simmering the cinnamon sticks or some herbs that come in a form of roots, right? This is called decoction method. So just for your information, it's actually very interesting to know what you guys are making, right? So let's wait. Alright guys, I am back. So this tea right here, I've been simmering it, I say, for like 18 minutes, and this one is still being done because it should be for an hour I should wait, I guess. So, and this one, let me just show you. I wanted to show you something else. Well, first of all, see that the color has become really brownish, and this stick, I've just thrown it in there just so you could see the difference. This cinnamon stick has been there for a while now, right? And look how swollen it got. So this one is brand new right there. So I mean, I just wanted to show you the difference. The only thing we need to do now is strain the liquid and enjoy our tea. Well, I could of course say you could sweeten it with honey, although I think if you really need honey, some therapeutical purposes, try never add it when your liquid is hot. Don't really do too much, and I would say, because it's supposed to be sweet already, I love adding some lemon in there, maybe ginger, but that's really another recipe right there. So let me go ahead and strain it. I just wanted to let you know that it's been simmering, covered, right? And believe it or not, my apartment right now, it smells like I've opened up a bakery shop or something. Well, see, it pretty much, the color of it looks like black tea, and it gives me 1 cup of tea, like that. Yeah, I mean, it looks like, you know, I'm inviting you for a tea party, right? Anyways, I think you guys like this video. You would definitely go ahead and try to make it. Well, it's very comforting, especially if you're drinking it during winter months. As a comparison, I almost forgot my thermos here, so I would just try to pour it out as well. I would say you could use whatever method you prefer. And so, guys, we could compare the two. This tea right here is the thermos version, and this one the decoction method. So it came up a darker, and I would say it's really so sweet that I don't need any sweetener whatsoever. So yeah, absolutely. And this one is, let me go ahead and try that. And this one right here has a little bit different taste. I would say it's sweeter. And this taste is maybe even less sweet, but more bold. So that's why I've actually showed you the two recipes, because I think in order for you to find the one that you really like, you need to go ahead and try both of them. Besides, you know, the one in thermos, just throw everything in and wait a little. So maybe you would prefer this color to that color. So I mean, it's up to you. I am here just to provide you with as many options as I can, so you could really stick to something healthy and good for you. Anyways, don't forget to watch my video about cinnamon benefits so you could learn more about that. Thank you guys ever so much for your attention and support, as your feedback is so important for me. And I do hope that I am providing you with something interesting and something you can really use for your life. And because our lives are so busy, I want to give you this information so you just get it and work with it. Anyways, if you guys want to have a free consultation with me as a holistic nutritionist, don't forget to subscribe to my email list, and definitely send me an email if you want to, if you have any other questions. Anyways, not taking any longer, guys. Just, you're the best. Love yourself first, and everything will come along. I wish you all the best. I wish you to be happy and healthy. And even if you don't see me right now, I'm here. I'm here, guys. Put the thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe to my channel, to my email list. Enjoy the tea, and I will see you later. Bye.